What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you are doing well wherever you are in the world, and thanks for clicking on the video. If you like this kind of stuff, do consider subscribing, check out my other videos, get involved, discuss below. I do bring up your comments every Sunday, so do discuss in the comments below, guys. On today's episode, we're going to be covering Emelia Hartford, Matt Armstrong, DD, and a few others as well. Before I jump into it, guys, just to let you know, we are planning on getting a project car. I am planning to make a video in 2 weeks' time to lay out the plan of what cars I have in mind for the project car, and I might need your help in deciding what project car to get. The video will basically weigh out the pros and cons, where we are with the money and stuff like that. Just basically being completely transparent and honest with you guys. I said I really want to get a project car for the channel, but I gotta make sure I don't financially kill myself either while I'm saving for a mortgage for a house as well, or for a deposit. So I have to be responsible. This isn't my full-time job, so I can't go off and spend ludicrous amount of money. And obviously, when we get the car, modifying it will be slow. But look, we'll talk about all that kind of stuff in 2 weeks. Hopefully, you'll support the channel and just watch the videos and smash the subscribe button. So, on today, we're going to kick it off with Emelia Hartford. Basically, Emelia Hartford has big congratulations to her. I'm so fucking slow for this one. I can't believe I'm 3 days behind. So if you've all watched her channel and you know already what's coming, her basically C8 has broken the record for the fastest C8 in the world with her twin turbo kit, which is amazing. Also, she moved into a new garage to work on her cars, which is amazing as well. It's a great unit. But yeah, I mean, what a great run. She hit a 9.41, so sub 9.5 second run, and she thinks she can get more out of it. Here is a quick clip for you guys.
That was another record.
Oh yeah, baby.
941.
And there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Big congratulations to me to be able to do it. She did say that she thinks she can get more out of it. That would be pretty nuts if she could, even get it quicker. 9.4 is ridiculously fast, and even the guys at the track were saying they knew when she had a good run. And yeah, wow. I wonder if she'll try and even get even more horsepower out of that thing. I doubt it. Hopefully she'll be starting some new builds soon, because now she's gotten the new garage. But I'm sure there's going to be plenty more to come from her. I think her content's just going to get better and better with the new garage. But yeah, amazing to now officially, I think, is she officially? Comment below and let me know that she has the quickest C8 on the planet at the moment. So that would be interesting to see if anybody will try and beat her. That would be a pretty interesting one indeed. Next up is going to be DDE. Their latest video is they have unwrapped the 488, and Damon basically throughout the video when they unwrapped it was asking what should be the new wrap. So should they go the old wrap or the new chromatic wrap, I think he called it. So he's basically asking you guys which one do you prefer. And if he should go the original wheels or new wheels. So basically, it'd be, for me personally, I like the chromatic wrap. I really do. Which means, because if people don't select the old wheels and the old wrap, and he gets the chromatic wrap that's kind of close to it in different wheels, he's kind of gone back to the first tire slayer, but he hasn't officially gone back to the first tire slayer. So unless he gets the exact same wheels and the exact same wrap, kind of, we could call it version 2.0. But me, I really like the chromatic wrap. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was pretty sweet, like an updated version. But comment below, guys. Let me know which one you would pick for DD for the new wrap for the 488, chromatic or the old wrap. Just want to hear your thoughts and opinions below, because that's what we're here to do, to discuss this shit. So next up is going to be Matt Armstrong. As we know, I've been just loving Matt's channel lately, like just all the mods he's been doing, all the cars that he has. And his latest video was, I never knew he had a Q5 because I never watched his channel from previously. Then a lot of his old videos have been popping up recently on my feed as well, So the Q5 is like the workhorse for him that does all the stuff. He got it crashed and he basically just put on any old panels on it, and he's just rewrapped it, and he's wrapped it a new, like, this really bright blue, which I really love. He asked, I think, people in comments if they like it or if they didn't, and I love bright colours, like bright blues, bright purples, reds. I just love bright colours. It's just me, and I just thought it came out amazing. It's something I really hope I can try and start doing this year, is learn how to wrap. I've always wanted to do it. I did ask him below how the one thing that puts me off trying to learn how to wrap is the door handles. I really don't want to be tearing off panels to get to the door handles and then having to take them off and wrap them, but there is ways around it. But yeah, I mean, he's not a bad rapper for what he does. But let me know, guys, do you think the blue is too bright? Is it a colour you go for? For the project car, hopefully this year, I have a few colours in mind, but probably chrome, satin purple is the one I want. But yeah, I really just love this blue. It was definitely a colour I consider to put on a car, but it is more of a colour to put on a sports car like a Lamborghini or something like that. But yeah, I like this, so let me know in the comments below, guys, what you thought of the colour. Next up is going to be S-Spot. Oh boy, this guy is going to get himself in the shit ton of trouble with his new exhaust system on his Gallardo. Yeah, he's gone away putting on a new exhaust system, and I think when he started it up, I was not expecting, like, you know, we always hear like ridiculously loud exhaust systems after they're put on, and I was not expecting this thing to be so damn loud. I mean, it's crazy. Earphone users, just be careful, because he's in a garage. It sounds way louder probably than what it is, but it's still, this is just a cold startup. It's fucking insane. Sweet baby Jesus. I mean, fair dues to him. He got some comments below as well from other car YouTubers, like, it's just insane. Insane exhaust system. He's like trying to debate now, is it way too loud? But he'll just fucking send it. It's S-Spot. He won't care. I presume, like, if he had, obviously, if he had a valve adjuster, he'd probably be fine. But I don't know if he has a valve adjuster on this. If he doesn't, he's going to get pulled left, right and centre by the cops over there, I think. I cannot wait to hear it out though. Oh my god, next video better be of him taking it out for a spin. It's so crazy loud. I just can't get over how nuts crazy loud that is. Well, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the new exhaust system on S-Spot's car, and how long do you think he's going to last till he gets pulled over. I'd say within the first 24-48 hours, I wouldn't be surprised. And if he starts getting pulled over, he's going to have to put in a Valvetronic system in somewhat way to quieten that thing down. But we'll see. Just we can't wait till the next episode. Last up is going to be Calvin Malley, guys. So if you haven't checked out Calvin's video or his channel before, he's bought a R32 GTR, or RB26 engine in it. He got a cheap one, and unfortunately for him, the internals are completely fucked. It looks like the head gasket screwed. There's scoring on the inside of the pistons. He had to tear it all apart. It looks like he's going to have to rebore the pistons as well. Get them a bit bigger, and it's going to cost him money that he says he doesn't really have or want to go down. And you know, now he's thinking of going down the single turbo route and forge pistons and rods and the whole lot. I mean, that's just going to cost him an absolute fortune. So he's going to have to get it machined. I think he's bringing it down to machine next. I feel really bad for him, because he just wanted to get it out on the road, and now look at this issue he's had. Guys, it's going to be a very interesting series. I highly recommend go over and check it out if you're big into your JDM engines. And you know, he needs a lot of support watching the videos, cranking out the ad revenue for him, because he isn't rich either. You know, he does it for entertainment, and I feel bad for him. Hopefully, it isn't the car isn't off the road too long, and he doesn't fall into a pit of money trying to get it fixed, because it would be, I can't wait to see him actually do this build and what route he goes down. It'd be crazy to see him go down the single turbo route and with forged pistons, etc. That thing would be an absolute beast, but then it could be potentially off the road for absolutely God knows how long. So yeah guys, highly recommend Calvin Malley's channel. Go over, check it out, link in the description below as well. Yeah, so that's it for today guys. That's just basically, I don't even know how long it is because I forgot to record the time as I was supposed to do. But yeah, if you liked it guys, please do just smash the like button and do definitely subscribe. I'm looking forward to making this video about the project car in 2 weeks. I just really hope I can deliver for you. As I said, I'm not promising it, it's just probably a top goal for me to do. So I just hope you'll give the channel a chance, hang in, just support the channel, and you know, hopefully we can get there together, and you know, I'll give you the plans in 2 weeks, and hopefully you can help me decide what to do. So guys, until the next episode or next video, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.